Good morning friends, my name is Gauri. I'm gonna tell you about the universe, how it was born. 14 billion years ago, there was a point like this. Then a big explosion happened. It kind of was fire and gas. It was everywhere but in circles. It was going in circles everywhere. And it made galaxies and stuff, stars and everything. First it made the galaxies, then the planets. First the sun, and the sun was not meant to move. And I'll tell you something about one planet. It was named Pluto, but the scientists been discussing why Pluto shouldn't be a planet. It's because why Pluto shouldn't be a planet? It's because it's super invisible. It's kind of like invisible that nobody can see, like in a telescope too. So that was scientists said, so it won't be a planet anymore. So it won't be a planet forever, but when I'll tell you another thing, when the one planet stops moving and others are moving, if one stops moving, like it takes years, then it will come in another place that it will crash into a planet, and the other planet would do the same thing. And it would do the same thing, that it will crash everywhere. So that why the planets move like forever. They never stop moving, and it doesn't die. And in galaxies there are like small, but the smallest galaxies is our galaxy, and the other galaxies like this big, but ours is like this, and others are like even bigger than this one. So there are a lot of stars that exist, and there is a biggest star. I don't know what it's even called, and it's super big, that it's so big like it looks like something so like a sun. And there's another thing about the sun. Sun was actually a star, but actually the sun's color was blue. It's because blue is even hotter, and there are many layers in the earth, so that's why we see it orange and yellow. And that's the real thing about the sun. And if we imagine I'm cooking in a gas, or you guys, and the fire is blue always, so the blue is the hottest part. Like orange and yellow are not too hot, and this is a real thing. And there's another thing about stars, like this sign show bright but not too bright. And did you know those were the lights that go to earth? And this is the end of today's story.